Hey guys! Okay, so Thanksgiving week. On Friday, we are all gonna be wondering, what do we do with all of this extra turkey? Here's a cool solution, tacos. So the reason why I love this is because A, it's super easy, and B, it's like different flavors than what we've been having with all of the Thanksgiving vibes. You can change it up a little bit. If you have family in town, it's really great to put out all the fixings. You make a big dish of the tacos. You just leave the meat in there. You put all your fixings out. You put out your taco shells if you want. You put out your corn tortillas, your flour tortillas, and it's just really fun, like mix and match, and everybody can make it how they want it. So if you have family staying over, this is also a great recipe. Okay, check it out. It's so easy. So this recipe is for like 4 people. If you have a bunch of family hanging out and around, you should just double this. Let's use half of red onion. If you're doing more than that, if you have a huge turkey, use a full red onion. So let's just cut off this outside portion. And then we're gonna cut this into really thin slivers. Watch your fingies. You wanna do like a little beautiful half moon. I love red onion. If you guys don't want the red onion, that's totally cool. You can chop up a yellow onion or some shallots or shallots, as you guys know, my mom says. If you use a yellow onion, it'll cook down and be a little bit sweeter. I love onions, so this is what I'm going with. So put this in a Dutch oven. We're gonna cook this down with a couple tablespoons of avocado oil. I really like avocado oil because it has a higher smoking point. So I always like that. And after we get this cooking down a little bit, we're gonna add a couple cloves of garlic that are minced. I kind of want to get the onions cooking first because I don't want my garlic to burn. So let's cook this down a little bit first. Let's add a couple tablespoons of avocado oil. Beautiful mild flavor. I don't want to use olive oil because I don't really want the olive oil flavor in my tacos. So the avocado oil is a little bit milder. Let's get this on the stove. These have been cooking for about 4 minutes. I'm gonna add the garlic. And now we're gonna add our spices as well. A teaspoon of tomato paste, half a teaspoon of chipotle chili powder, half a teaspoon ground cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano. We're gonna cook this down so this is all blended together. You can tell how the onions are starting to get beautiful and soft. See that? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be amazing. Okay, we're gonna let this cook until the tomato paste, you want it to get deepen in color. See how the onions are already starting to get nice and wilty. We got some turkey meat. Let's mix this all up. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook a little bit longer. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of chicken or turkey stock, and then we're gonna add in, this is about a cup of diced tomatoes, just from a can. We're gonna bring this to a simmer and let it go for about 5 minutes, and then we'll taste it for salt and pepper. Okay, so I love something like this. I also do this with salads, especially if I have family over again for the holidays, and it's like the next day, and you're trying to whip together a lunch or a dinner. You put the lettuce out, and then you put all the fixings around it. So the surroundings. So this works well also with a recipe like this. So we have our meat is ready. And then we have all of our beautiful toppings. We have cojita cheese, we have some cilantro, that pickled purple cabbage that I've shown you guys. So delicious, perfect recipe for that. Sour cream, little avocado. So let's make one of these. Actually, let's make 2. So these are some organic corn tortillas. There's a lot of different methods for heating up tortillas. I heat them up on the stove and put them in a warm, damp dish towel. So that's what I do. And then I'll also, with my oven on a really, really low setting, like literally 250 or 200, I'll keep them warm in there. Again, because this is a dish towel, you don't want the heat high whatsoever, but it keeps them nice and warm, I found. So we are going to put some of our protein mix, our taco mix at the bottom here. Such a great way to reimagine turkey or chicken. You guys can also do this with chicken. Beautiful. Now we're gonna top it. I just go in with my fingies. So we're gonna top it with some purple cabbage. If I was doing this with a bunch of like family and friends around, I wouldn't use my fingers. I would use a utensil, but it's just us, so I'm gonna use my fingers. Okay, so now I'm gonna do, actually I'll top it with cilantro. So now I'll do some sour cream. I love sour cream. You can also just do yogurt. The other thing too is this recipe is a little spicy, okay? So it does pack a little bit of heat. And what's great is the avocado and something like the sour cream help tone down that heat. And it's so delicious. Let's get a couple avocado slices. So now we're gonna top it with some cojita cheese and cilantro. Cilantro, as we say in Jersey. We can top it with some cilantro. Just like my name in Jersey, well, my sister calls me Luova. Not Laura, but Luova. That's our Jersey vibes. Keeping it real. Okay, yum. Let me just clean off this plate so it looks pretty. And here is a way to reimagine your holiday turkey into some beautiful tacos. Let's take a bite. That is delicious. That's really beautiful, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love sour cream. With the pickled cabbage and that turkey taco meat, oh my gosh. That's really delicious. Let me guys know what you think. Let me know how you guys are reimagining your turkey. I wanna know, because come Friday, we are all gonna be wanting ways to reimagine it. And this is a great solution. Please let me know what you guys think. Oh my gosh, happy holidays. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm gonna go enjoy my meal.